Built from advanced carbon fiber and aluminum alloys, this UAV In this controlled environment, the life cycle continuity hold ensures steady state operations.
Ensure the avionics bay connections are fully secured before the next stage.
Confirmed. Moving to systems check.
Take a look at the delta right here.
See it?
Looks within tolerance.
The cycle is progressing smoothly.
Scan looks good, no delamination.
Confirmed. Ready for assembly.
Harness secured on J4 connector.
Confirmed. Telemetry looks nominal.
Readings are stable across the board.
Acknowledged. Initiating power sequence now.
Okay, applying micro adjustments on the elevation servo.
Readings are stabilizing now. The y-axis is green.
Logging the final configuration settings.
Final checks complete. We are clear to lift.
Roger that. Bringing it down slowly.
readings confirmed on the tablet.
Flow meter aligned.
Koji is stable. We are good to shut down. Adjusting the IMU gain now.
Error values dropping rapidly. Stable.
Autonomous navigation lock confirmed. GPS acquisition solid. Handshake stability is holding at 100%.
Acknowledged. Secure link certified.
Watch the starboard side clearance.
Clear on the left, coming around.
Confirmed. Keep it steady.
Configuration check. Main fuselage.
Panels locked and sealed. Green status.
Wing assembly secure. Final lockdown confirmed. All systems integrated and fully compliant with the contract specifications, Captain.
Excellent. We are signing off on the final acceptance.
The forward array shows stabilization at the propulsion housing.
Gradients are well within tolerance. We have verification.
Telemetry is green. Gimbal check complete. Confirmed stable link.
Module secure.
Confirmed. Accessibility looks good on this side.
This module matches the compatibility list.
Inventory check complete. Finalizing the configuration now.
We integrate the avionics during the final assembly stage. Now, if you look at the screen, the simulation shows the real-time sensor data visualization.
And so, the life cycle handover is complete. The drone is now officially transitioned from manufacture. Regression suite complete. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Executing version lock 7.4.
Digital signatures verified. Microsecond alignment confirmed on all channels.
Initiating safety sequence arming. Proceeding to disarm protocol.
Actuator serial verified.
Good. The digital twin matches the physical configuration. Audit complete.
T-minus 10 seconds. All systems green.
Power check, nominal.
T-minus 3, 2, 1, 0. Abort sequence initiated.
Humidity stabilized right on target.
Acknowledged. All floor sensors are reading nominal.
Module aligned and seated. Confirm the lock indicator.
Diagnostics complete. All readings are nominal. Proceed with securing the bay.
Check complete. All parameters within tolerance.
Confirmed. Finalizing sequence. All serialized components verified.
Good. The drift analysis is complete. No issues found. Built from advanced carbon fiber and aluminum alloys, this UAV represents the pinnacle of sustained operational readiness.
Verification successful on all blocks.
Flags are solid green. Locking the logs now.
Systems initializing. Cold soak parameters nominal.
Telemetry stable. Reliability confirmed. The scenario timelines advanced successfully.
All parameters stable. We can certify the mission software.
Load transfer stable. No deviation detected. Confirmed.
Redundancy check passed.
Validity confirmed across all parameters.
Checksums match the release baseline. Go ahead and lock the dataset.
Dataset locked. Verification complete.
The isolation assessment is complete. Crosstalk indicators are well below thresholds.
Confirmed. We are good for integration.
All parameters green. Verification complete.
Confirmed. Signing off on the recertification snapshot.
Margins confirmed. We are well within specification on this section.
Excellent. Let's get these panels secured.
Reviewing the saturation plots now.
Ample authority across all envelopes. Snapshot locked.
The calibration routine is stabilizing. Look at the convergence.
Confirmed. We have synchronization.
Cross-check complete.
The pull strength is holding steady at 550.
And the thickness is uniform at 3.2 mils. Looks good. Let's log it.
Final hash verified. All indicators green.
Baseline reaffirmed. Trend analysis confirms optimal lubrication condition. Proceed with reassembly. Controlled force is applied to the harness junctions. The gauges confirm secure engagement before the data is logged and the panels are sealed.
The stress test peaked the avionics bus at 65%.
We have ample headroom remaining. The results are solid.
Adhesion looks good. Elasticity within tolerance.
Noted. Final review passed.
Resistance is 0.001.
7 pounds on the gauge.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance. Compression looks good here. Confirmed. Temperatures are normalizing across the board. Reseating the module now.
Final torque sequence complete. Alignment checks passed.
Review is clear. Proceed with cover installation.
Sustained zero error rate confirmed.
Matching primary metrics. Locking the audit now.
The curves are stable. We have confirmation on the endurance margins.
Acknowledged. Initiating standby sequence.
Verify the clearance on linkage 4 alpha.
It's within tolerance, engineer.
Approved. I'll log the review as complete.
The voting logic is holding stable despite the spikes.
Confirmed. Arbitration successful.
The thermal rise assessment is complete. Temperatures stabilized within acceptable margins.
Logging the final data now. We are good to power down.
Executing rollback command. Monitor the integrity checks.
Systems reverted cleanly. All parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Recovery drill successful.
How is the clearance on that connector? Optimal.
Optimal.
All right, the evaluation is complete. Ergonomics approved.
Power system stabilizing. Avionics online. Optics clear. All indicators green. Reactivation successful.
Reading is stable at 0.5 microns.
Acceptable. Cross-reference with the chart and log it green.
Done. Moving on.
The shedding sequence is holding stable.
Confirmed. All critical systems are nominal. The logic is verified.
Primary systems powering down. Backup engaged.
Flow rates are stabilizing. Temperatures remain nominal.
Confirmed.
Check the abrasion points on the starboard side.
Looks good. No wear detected on this run.
Confirmed against the schematic. Logging the results now.
Integrity verification complete. Confirmation on 0 uncorrectable faults.
Status locked green.
Solid green across the board, signal locked, and timing is perfect.
Noted. Test parameters met.
Good. Initiating reset sequence.
Check the configuration data against the physical logs.
No discrepancies found, lead. Ready to synchronize.
Proceed with the archive lock. In this controlled environment, the life cycle continuity hold ensures steady state operations.
Alignment values are holding steady across all datum points.
Confirmed. Revalidation is complete.
Latency holding steady at 4.2 nanoseconds.
Confirmed. Actuator response is nominal.
Logging finalized. System check passed.
Scan confirms module integrity. Validation timestamps match the manifest.
Green status across the board. Seals are intact.
Bay is secure. Relatching now.
Envelope check on Pylon 2 confirms clearance.
Articulation looks good across the full range.
Systems are nominal. Logging final approval. Seal ID 99er verified against schematic.
Confirmed. Final lock status approved.
As you can see, all sensor arrays passed calibration.
The metrics alight with the physical review. It meets spec.
Confirmed. We accept the delivery.